so now we're going to do an 1/8. So now we'll do the 16th, and then after this, I'll do my first masawari. So now it's just hirawari masawari until I reach the thickness I'm after and the width, and then after this I take it into the next phases, which is with the habatori blades and the mentori, and then the planer or sendiki, which I have thanks to my good buddy of Bare Iron Forge, because you cannot find them in America or nor order them anywhere and get them here. I've tried finding them, you can't. So I had my buddy make one for me. This will produce 64 of these if I were to split them all like this. And typically I'll stop here. I would probably, depending on what I'm going to use this for, I'd probably do one more masawari after this at the 64th. I may split this again and see. I can correct this, hopefully. Yep, there it goes. Because I didn't quite have it all. Because you want to be all the way. And so doing, 11 feet of this, right? It's a lot of work. This is a half, so then this would be a quarter. This is an eighth, a 16th. At the 16th, we will do the first Masawari split, which produces the yellow. You can see the nodes still present, and that's at the 16th. The next split is the 32nd, then the 64th, and then the 128th. And then you can see also a Masawari in between each step, because once you do the first Masawari, then it's Hirawari, Masawari, Hirawari, Masawari, all the way.